Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got some completion reviews to do, and these were sent to me by the good people at diamondartgift.com. They were part of PR packages, so they were sent to me free of charge, but as always my review will be honest. Okay, so they're all very Christmassy. I'm joined today by the lovely Millie Moo, who is just chilling and her basket next to me. There she is, look. You're going to say hello, Millie? No, she's been a diva today. She doesn't want to talk today. She's tired today, so she's not talking. Let me just get you straight again. Okay, so what shall we look at first? Let's look at the big one first. I am absolutely blown away by this. I just think it is absolutely stunning. Those colours, oh, they're just gorgeous. I did this one last night and I just sat there and I thought, oh, I love this. I think it's the large gems, those big sort of half sphere pearls with the iridescent coating on, and then the large gold and then the bit smaller gold. They're just so pretty. And then we've got this like ribbon running through. I think it's like, it's a wreath, but then I think it's got like similar to like a corsage, I suppose, like a flower decoration added to it, and then these little baubles with the different patterns on. It's just gorgeous. It's 3 different colour greens on it as well. We've got the paler colour on the ferns, and then we've got a little bit darker colour on these ferns, and then the leaves are an even darker colour. So it just gives you that depth. And then the little stars on the ribbon, just all placed so that they just sparkle. Say it's not my Christmas colours. I'm very much green, gold and red, traditional Christmas. But this is just wonderful and I love it. And the feel of it as well. Just the texture of it, just to run your hand over. I was just sat there last night. He'll be saying to me, why are you stroking your diamond painting? I said, because it feels really, really nice. But yeah, I just think this is super. It was part of my PR package in November from Diamond Art Gift, and it was $4.99. There was 12 different gems and colours on it. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one. I don't know whether to frame it or whether to put it on mount board. But I think it does need a blingy edge, possibly gold. Let's see if I've got a gold. I don't really look in my bling. This is my bling box from my card baking days with all my different bling things in. What colour is that one? Where's that one? Oh, that's blue. That's not going to go. I've got a smaller gold. I think I'm going to have to buy some. Oh, gosh, but I just think that putting a gold border on is just going to frame that. And then putting it on mount board is just going to, well, it'll be enough rather than having a frame. Albeit that's a little bit wide. I think I'd prefer a little bit thinner, maybe 2 or 3, so that it's not taking away from the middle picture. Oh, I've got a little bit of gold here, but I don't think this is going to be enough. I've been using these a lot. Can you tell? Is that maybe too much of a bronzy gold? It's funny, you say to people gold and you just think, oh yeah, gold colour, but there's so many different ones. Yeah, you see that looks better with smaller drills. And yeah, that little bit less of a border. It is actually still 4 gems, but very tiny gems. And it's just slightly the wrong colour. It needs to be this colour really, or paler. That's more of a sort of peachy, bronzy colour gold. So, I'm going to have a think about this one. I did think about just putting it, just framing it over a frame on its own. But if you remember one of the paintings, I have put the gem board around it. And it just has really made it pop from the wall rather than it just sinking into the wall. But that is superb. I love it. It probably won't end up on the wall because I'll just sit with it next to me, just stroking it. I did think I had another gold, but obviously not. I've got a silver. Would silver go? Oh, possibly. Possibly the silver might be better. But then I've not got enough of this silver. I've only got, yeah, and I don't think I've got the other silver in this. No, I've only got blue. No, I think I got them from the pound shop. I'll have to watch my own video and see where they all came from. But yeah, so never mind. But anyway, so that's an idea. So I need to be looking for some silver. I know Diamond Art Gift do have like the blingy borders on their website, but it's getting it now because I want it now. So it's probably going to be a trip to the pound shop, I think. But yeah, I just, oh, absolutely love this. And there was plenty of drills left over as well. Really good. Oh yeah, and these yellow dots are actually an AB coated large yellow gem, and it just all works so well together. The charting on this is wonderful. So to go in my specials, we've got the plain green. My silver wants to go in my silver box. We've got these, as I say, they are iridescent coating on them, your AB coating on those lovely little yellow half spheres. Nice for the centres of flowers, those. We've got one of the large gems left. I've no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I'm so happy I've got a spare one. Lots of the little stars left as well in the gold. And then in the larger teardrops with the facets on, we've got a lot of those left. And the gold half spheres, the larger ones. And then the smaller ones, which are still quite a nice size. And then, oh, was there just, yeah, there was just the one size. I was thinking there was another size in these. Do you know, I've done so many special drills recently, they're all merging into one. But I just love them so much. My parents came yesterday and my mum just said, your house is just so Christmassy and sparkly. And I said, thank you very much, that's what I want it to look like. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I do like my sparkle. And I have got my corner where I've got my cooler colours. I've got my wreaths, and then I've got the cooler colours, which is actually more blues and silvers. But I think this will probably complement it as well if I get this one put in a similar place. So yeah, this one's going on the wall as well. Oh dear, which is why I'm wanting to show you all my completion reviews so I can get them all put on the wall. Okay, so they're all to go. I'll keep those because say they want to go in my little jar. I'll put those in a minute. And then this one, I have actually put the gems away on this already. This was my lovely little headband, and I have actually worn this. So yeah, I mean, that's just wonderful. Just really, really makes me laugh. If Millie was a bit more cooperative today and not being a diva, I might have tried it on her. I might try and get a picture of her with it on later. And then she'll definitely not be speaking to me. But yeah, I mean, they're great, these. Oh, I've got a little green gem stuck to me. Where's that come from? Get off. Probably from me stroking this. Yeah, you've got just your plain headband. They are all unboxings of these on my channel, so you will be able to find them. I'll try and put the links down below as well. But yeah, just your little plain black headband. And then this is like just a little clip look or a slide, and it just literally slides onto your headband. So, I mean, you could wear it on the side, you could, you know, be having a bit of a tipsy day and your hat slipped a bit, or you can have it on the top. But yeah, it came with us to the Scotty Christmas party, so it has been worn and the drills have been put away. But again, there was plenty left over. I love the way that we've got the shading on it. So rather than it just being plain silver and plain red, we've actually got like the shadow and the shading at this side. So it's a little bit darker, just to give it a bit more of a 3D effect. And I think it's worked out really well. Even the bell look on the top has got like the little bits on it that to make it look like a bell. And yeah, I really enjoyed wearing that, and it was very comfy as well, to be fair. I did have several different headbands on during the day, but yeah, this one was worn quite a bit, so yay. Okay, and then finally my little stand and my little Santa is done. Okay, This one was $5.99, and I got this one in October, so I was planning Christmas very, very early. So it's your little coffee cup with the coffee cup look, or the hot chocolate cup. Has got a reindeer popping out of it. Oh no, sorry, this is the cup here. It's got a reindeer popping out the side. We've got a little like candy cane and a straw in there. We've got Merry and Bright, which really does stand out. I think stand a little bit further away. Yeah, you can read that. It's really good. And then our little gnome with his little nose there. The only thing is with these, it will need sealing because the reindeer is still a little bit sticky, and Santa is a little bit sticky in his hand because they've just put the glue right the way across the top. So where the bits aren't actually diamond painted, there is still a little bit of glue, but sealing that will... Oh, helps if I keep it in camera. Sealing that will just stop bits of fluff and things sticking to it. But how cute is he? And he's got a little candy cane as well in his hand. And we've got all the sack with the presents there as well. And I just love that. It's just so cute. And I think that this is clear. Let me just double check. Did we decide that this had... Yeah, this has a coating on it. Most of these things do. They look as though they're like white, opaque, and actually they have a coating on them. I don't know whether it's got it on both sides. Let me just check. Yeah, it does. So it actually ends up being clear rather than your white opaque. So it's just something to sort of check out. You can't even see it now, look, because it's gone clear. And then it's just got the slot in the middle. And our little Santa will just go in the middle. Let me just throw that bit away. Okay. Sometimes they're a little bit tight the first time you pop them in. But yeah, it will just sit in there. Okay, so just pop them a little bit sideways and then just try and slide it a bit. Okay, so now he's just sat in there. Little snowman with the little reindeer. Okay, so yay! Oh, he's a little bit blingy, isn't he? I say I've had to put the lights on today because again we are very dark today. But yay! He's really sweet. So we have had our lovely, oops, little Santa. I'll take him off his stand for now. We've had our gorgeous wreath, which I think, even though I do like traditional, I think this is one of the favourite ones that I've done so far. And my little Santa with the hat and the antlers. Yay! Oh, let me just quickly have a look at these gems as well. See if we've got any clear in here. I think, yes, we have. I've just, these were all just plain gems, to be fair. Blue, red, gold. There's the silver. Hot pink. It had to have, it only had about 3 hot pinks on it, but it had to have a hot pink. Okay, so I'll pop those back into there. These, as I say, are all going downstairs onto my displays now. So we have had our lovely little Santa with his cup and his reindeer there and the little sack of presents, the gorgeous wreath, the lovely little headband, and a partridge in a pear tree. No, kidding. Okay, as I say, these were all available from diamondartgift.com. If you do want to go and check them out, there is, I think, a buy 3 get 1 free. So if you put 4 in your basket, you get 1 free. And I think there's 70% off postage, but double check on the website for your country to see what offers are available. Okay, well, huge thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for sending me these. And thank you to you for coming along and watching. If you've enjoyed seeing everything, big thumbs up is very much appreciated. Got any comments or questions, leave them in the comments down below as always. And if you want to join our little family, you do that by just pressing that little subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell next to it, and you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So thank you ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.